What is up, everyone? So for today, what I have planned are mainly, it's not really automotive related, but it's something that I promised myself last year. So there is a race, a mud race, obstacle mud race that is called Rugged Maniac, and I've looked into this from last year. I was supposed to do it, but I didn't do it. But I was there supporting, my girlfriend and her family, and I just said to myself, I need to do this, something I need to do. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do today. And honestly, I feel like I'm barely ready, but we'll see how I do. Now we are here at Rugged Maniac, and honestly, I'm kind of nervous because, like I said, I haven't really done any running in a while. Well, just besides whatever I've exercised before, so we'll see how it goes. So you guys can see there, that's like the big ass water slide that they have here, or mud slide. Wish me luck, you guys, and I won't take you guys on this adventure because I don't have anything to mount my the Picasso in, so I'm not gonna really record anything. So I'll let you guys know how it ends up at the end of the race. See you guys in a bit. It is the end of the race already, and what ended up happening was I finished pretty late, honestly. I finished maybe about 45 minutes or so, and it kicked my ass, honestly. It was horrible. Everyone's out there going crazy. That was the last obstacle up there, and to be honest, it was fun. I'll do it again, and most likely I'll have a whole year to train this time because honestly, it was just very difficult. This was a promise to myself of what I was going to do, so honestly, I had to push myself. And if you guys make a promise to yourself, make sure you guys succeed 100% and not just do half of it, because honestly, you just don't feel good about yourself after you do it. Unlike me, I feel so proud that I was able to do this and not trying to get out of it last minute. So I hope you guys did enjoy this. I know it was kind of short and whatnot, but I hope you guys did enjoy. So I'll see you guys on the next one. If you guys have any questions of anything really, comment it down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.